For some time now, we have been showing you how to answer questions in the examination. And most of the model questions we have been showing you here is gotten from examination bodies like this one we have here, WASSCE, June 2005, Mathematics 2 Theory Questions. I want to especially welcome you once again to this channel, Math Fusions. This is a channel where we make maths easy for you to learn. And so if you are just joining us for the first time, I'm using this opportunity to encourage you to please subscribe and view our other videos from our channel page. And you can also like our videos and comment on them. Let us know what you feel about the way we present lessons to you. My name is Justice Johnson. Now let us get into the lesson for today. The lesson for today is gotten from number 3A, and the question there is on solving fractions. I have already solved some fractions problems in this channel. So after you are through watching this, I will encourage you to go to the playlist in my channel page here and watch all the videos on fractions we have done so far. Now let us consider this example, this question here displayed. It says simplify 5 upon 8 of 2 1 upon 2 minus 3 upon 4 divided by 3 upon 5. Now let's take the solution. Like as I always encourage you, it is proper for you to rewrite the question. So I'm going to start off by writing this question again. 5 upon 8 of, then we have 2 1 upon 2, then minus 3 upon 4 divided by what? By 3 upon 5. Now in the next step here, I'm going to put my equals to and show you the way I shall be solving this problem. The first thing we note is we write out our 5 upon 8, 5 upon 8. Then you see that we are having off. We are going to change this off to times. Whenever you are solving any fraction like this and you see the off sign, in the next step, change it from off to times. Then you can see we are having a mixed number here. And we are going to convert it to improper fraction by using this 2 down here, 2 to times this, and then adding the results to this. So 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1, that is 5. So we have 5 upon 2. Then we have minus what? We have 3 upon 4. Then you see division. In this channel, I've been explaining how to resolve division sign like this. From division, we can change it to times, and we turn the number that follows after division sign downside up. So the 3 will come down, the 5 will come up. So we have 5 upon 3. So there you have it. That's the first step here. Then the next step, we are going to resolve this 2, because the concept we are using here is a concept of board mass. I've already explained this in previous videos, so please, I will encourage you to go to the playlist of this channel and watch this, how I use board mass to solve fractions. Now, we are taking the multiplication first because according to this acronym board mass, multiplication comes before addition and subtraction. So that's why we are taking the multiplication first. So you can check here, there is no common factor that can divide this fraction. So the best you can do is to multiply the numbers out. So we say 5 times 5, and that will give us 25, upon 8 times 2, that will give us what? 16. Then we'll put our negative sign, and then we come here. You can see that there are common factors here. This number 3 can cancel this number 3 down here. So 5 and 4, there is no common factor. So we are going to multiply them out. So 1 times 5 will give us 5. Then 4 times 1 will give us 4. So at this point now, we've reduced the fraction to this point here, where we are to subtract these two fractions. So at this point here, we take our LCM of the denominators 16 and 14. So what is the LCM? The LCM is what? 16. Now just to refresh some of your mind who may not have known how to solve fraction, let me do that very quickly. Here, we divide by 2. You take the denominator 16 and 4 and divide by 2. Why are we starting with 2? Because 2 is an even number, okay? And it can divide 16 and 4. So we'll start with the lowest even number here. So this will give us 8, and here 2. When to divide 8, it will give us 4, and here 1. When to go on ahead to divide, it gives us 2, the 1 remains there. Then it will divide 2 to give us 1. So we must keep dividing with any factor of 16 and 4. Keep dividing it until we arrive at 1, 1. Then we'll multiply out these numbers. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. And that's how we came about the 16 here. So now we use this denominator to cancel this denominator. We left it 1. 1 times the 25 up on top of the 16 will give us 25. Okay, so now we'll put our minus sign, and then when we divide 16 by 4, look at it here. If we say 16 divided by 4, if you do this division, you are going to have 4. So this 4 that you have as a result, you are going to use it to times the number on top of this 4. So 4 times 4 will give us what? 20. So here we said 25 minus 20. All right, so 25 minus 20, oops, I made a little mistake, pardon me for that. So let's take it up here. Now 25 minus 20 will give us 5. Then divide this by what? By 16. And no common factor can divide. This is going to be our final answer. I'm sure you enjoyed the lesson for today. Stay tuned with me. I will bring in to you more questions on WASSCE June 2005.